All that's left to do now is put the two things we already know how to play together. It's going to be tricky at first, but you've already played everything we're doing here. All we're doing is playing the first riff and the second riff at the same time. I'll play it first so you can hear it at full speed, and then I'll go really slowly so you can really see what's going on. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you notice, both your left and right hand basically play the same finger shape the entire riff. The only thing that changes is your left hand sliding up and down the fretboard. Try it really slowly at the start and work on getting it a little faster when you're comfortable really slowly. You don't have to play this at full speed if you don't want to work up to it, but you should at least be able to play it slowly before moving on. And with that, you've already learnt Love Yourself by Justin Bieber. Not too shabby for your first time playing guitar, right? And you've just learnt the fingerstyle version too. Most people wouldn't even be starting this before a few solid months of playing the guitar, so good job to you. If you enjoyed this mini-series, you should check out my complete fingerstyle course for beginners. It'll walk you through all the fingerstyle patterns that you need to know to play the songs you love, and by the end of the course, you'll be able to play songs like Hallelujah by Leonard Cohen, The Boxer by Simon Garfunkel, Free Fallin' by Tom Petty and John Mayer, and Thinking Out Loud by Ed Sheeran. For a limited time only, I'm offering an 80% discount. I'll put the discount link below. Hundreds of beginner guitarists just like you have learnt fingerstyle guitar by taking the course, and I hope you'll join them.